Oh, I'm back. We're back. We're back together. We're here.
Sorry.
Drinking wine. We're drinking wine while doing this Q&A. I know you guys wanted the Q&A. No, it's finally here. I want to say I appreciate you guys for 5,000 subscribers recently, and just keep it up. Share the videos. Share it. Okay. So first question. Just say how long?
Oh my god, how long have you two been together?
Oh, how long? Okay, how long you guys been together? Okay. And that's by Danzy Lee. How long we been together? No, we don't really keep tracking them. So honestly, we've been at least 2 years. 2 years. January 20. Yeah, 2 years.
2 years, 1 month.
Yeah, January 25th. If y'all want to know, that's our anniversary.
When was our first kiss?
It starts with a B and ends with a T.
Shut up. November.
November. It was in November before we even start dating, which that makes sense, right? And it led things. Danzy Lee asks another question. Danzy Lee, big up yourself if you're watching, cause we look like you have a whole heap of questions. So one of your questions was, how tall are we?
Well, I'm 5 foot flat.
I'm 5'11".
Yeah,
5'11". So I'm not 5'11". I'm not 5'11". People, I'm 5'11". If you don't want to come measure me, just measure me with 5'11". Go get a tape measure and come measure me. You see the face in this man talk about highs and lows of
well,
relationships.
Chad's very miserable, so that's a low.
That's a lie, people. I'm the most easy get along person.
Easy to get along person, that's not what you're trying to say. You're the most easygoing person.
I'm an easy get along person. Yes, I am an easy get along person. They want to know what's a highs.
A high. This is a high.
Yeah, we always making.
Drinking some wine.
Yeah. Oh, so that's the only reason why when you're drinking.
So you give me wine. That's a high relationship. Right?
There's a lot of lows in relationship, just like anybody's relationship. You know, like you just have to. Yeah. All right. So for instance, one time.
Video.
So for instance, one time, I'm gonna tell you a little story. She get mad, right? Every time I leave the room, I know it I go piss her off. When she argue, you know what I do? Leave the room, people. I left the room, and by the time I look, I just see her look behind me, and I cringe her teeth and get back in the fucking room.
I did not.
That is true. I'm going to tell you that. That's a true story. How did we meet? By Myra and... How did we meet?
We met through mutual friends.
Mutual friends. We meet by mutual friends at the parking lot of Broward College. And...
Did a video.
Yo, when we see her, you know, man. I said, I'm my girl.
Don't listen to me.
No, true. She never want me. I'm gonna tell you the story. She never want me. People, I'll tell a story about her in some music.
Don't.
She has some music videos out there, you don't need to go check it out.
I'll throw this drink on.
Do We Live Together by Shanique Nahansha. Daniel Wright, but Neshana. Pick up yourself, Neshana, Shanique, Neshana. Do we live together? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Currently. I'm tipsy. You have to understand. Shanique is asking, how many siblings do we each have?
Jeez. You start. I have more.
I have Andrew. I have Bradley. 2 brothers. Pain in the butt. Extra pain in the butt. Pause on the butt talk.
I have 3 sisters, 2 brothers.
Yeah. You have a lot of family members.
I do.
Like me. Let me just tell a little story. I like to get my story involved in this.
Oh, it's
I have a lot of Cooley family. Shout out to my Cooley family out there. So this is for you. Dating someone with social media following. That's by Shanique.
Well, at first, it was kind of weird. All the girls saying, "Can I take a picture of you? Can I take a picture of you?"
You should get mad, jealous.
I am.
No, but she got over it
But
though.
I'm over it now. So I'll take your pictures.
Big up yourself, Candy King. You're asking, what did you notice at first sight? Let me tell you about first sight.
Wait, let me start because you didn't want to tell a story.
Okay.
Okay, at first sight, first of all, I noticed his clothes because I really like clothes. So, you know, I have to see how he's dressed.
So sorry. So
I was
sorry.
kind of sloppy. I have to brush him up, but.
Shots fired. Alright, wait till the camera lock off. I'm gonna give you something. Just give her something.
You can set that up.
I'm not taking it off. What I noticed about first sight with Danielle. So when she came out of the car with her friend, you know, her friend, big up to Shadi. If she's probably watching this, probably she's not watching. But yo, big up to Shadi. So Danielle came out of the car. No, actually, I'm gonna call her name yet. So I just see something shining bright like a diamond coming out of the car, and I said, blood Keita, what kind of diamond that? And I say, the girl, look, the girl, look, it's like money, me I tell you. I say, I have to know you. I go up to her. People that know me, I'm very shy.
Yes,
I'm gonna go up to Danielle, I grab her by the waist, and make sure I know. I grab her by the waist, hold it tight and firm. That's how you know you get on girl, you know. Man, my girl go. So I grab her by the waist and I say, yo, you're amazing. You are gold.
He did not.
No, but I grab you by the waist and I say, you're amazing.
And
then I start, you know what I start do? Whether I do a video and thing, I no want to try to talk to her, you know. So what I do is just like, I start get to know her and thing and say, yo. So what? When you leave Jamaica, when you leave Jamaica, what was the question? What your goals in life? What you want to do? Where you work? Can I get your number? And then that was it.
I didn't give you my number.
No, you know what's the funny thing about giving away her number? She never want to give me the number, you know. Wicked people. I have to tell her friend, tell her next friend, tell her next friend, tell her next friend. Yo, me like that girl, you know, but she not give me no play.
You have to see how far he's willing to go.
Candy Cane is asking perfect vacation. What's your perfect vacation?
On a beach, somewhere far away from people.
My one is riding ass.
Ass? What's an ass?
I like to go on the track and ride ass. That's a perfect vacation. Make me clear my mind. I used to want to be a jockey, but I just got too tall. If you notice, I'm 5'11", and then I couldn't make the weight. I was 110. I need to be 110. I weigh 150.
You're fatty.
Okay, shots fired again. Who said "I love you" first by Candy Cane? Oh, I did say I love you first. So, let me tell you a story. She never believed me. I got her number, started texting her and thing, and she just never wanted me to, you know, like she wasn't giving me no interest. She did play hard to get people. And I may try to tell her something, I like you a lot, you know. So she, you know what she did? She's like, alright, text me the next day at 12:03, some weird time. If texting them. To text her and tell her I really care about her. So, you know what me do, you know? I put on an alarm at 12:03, remind me to text Daniel. I'm telling the truth.
At least you know his face.
At
least you know his face.
Just to text her and tell her I really care about her, I really want her in my life. And it worked. See, she here. And she ain't going anywhere.
It's in time. Right? Did you?
Baby, me tell you.
When did we leave JA?
By Caribbean.
I left in 2013. So I'm new on the scene.
She left 2013? I left in 2008. Yeah, you know, I used to went to St. Jago High School.
I used to went to St. Jago.
Went to St. Jago High School. I was a bad man. Ask anybody at St. Jago.
Okay, Ice Angel wants to know if we plan to get married and have kids.
Of course, man. I want to have like 300 kids.
Unless he can have them, I don't know how that's gonna happen. Maybe 2.
No, my thing is we're not coming to agreement yet with that because I'm telling her I want 3 picnic. I want 3 picnic. I don't want a girl because my heart can't manage. My heart can't manage. No girl picnic, I know what the man them do to the girl them.
I want a girl.
People do not get a girl child. You know, if God give me a girl child, I'll accept it.
You don't have a choice.
I don't have a choice. And you know, I'll bring her. I just tell her, say, if me catch with a blood clot, man, I'll get some blood clot lick.
Not my child.
Yes, and we want to get married. I really want to get married by the right time.
Annoying things, Shanique Nashana. Okay, so Chad have this thing where he does his nose, and it's like, do it. Oh God, and he does it all night. Even when he's trying to sleep, he's going like that.
People, I don't know when I'm doing it. I'm sleeping when I'm doing it. I can't breathe at night, so
Christ.
I don't know what's the problem. I can't do it. I can't help it. You know? There are some annoying things what I would love to tell you about Danielle. It's like Instagram run our life.
Really?
Man, after that on Instagram, she have to see what I go on social media. When social media run like hot, like when the shade room posts on them thing there, she have to on top of it. She run come and tell me, hey, you know what is, you know that? Me no want no. She used to do pedicure on my foot them. Me not get that no more. I used to get some massage. Then the thing that me not get no more.
Honey, I feel the same.
You know we have like this little thing Edmondes, right? We have this
Next question. What do we love most about each other? By Aiden Ike. Well, he always keeps me laughing. See? And he takes care of me. That's the most about him.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, so cute. Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me because I'm not your
You
friend
see?
right now.
Alright, you see? Bitch ass.
You're that. I'm glad to know evil should be. Let me tell you the things I love about Danielle. I love when we make her.
What? What? Bogle? Like when you make me bogle?
You know, there's a lot of things, but I just can't come right now.
Oh, so you don't like anything. People who will really like me.
No, I just love how she cares about me, you know? Like, she goes the extra mile. When, you know what I love the most? When I come home and she takes off my shoes. That's the most romantic thing for a woman to do.
And if you don't take them off?
Then she takes out food for me. Then she makes sure I eat. When she sures I eat. Sorry, I'm drunk right now.
No, you're not. Stop lying.
Yeah, she makes sure I eat properly. And then the next thing she does is like when it comes to like video games and stuff, she just come in there and she wants to be romantic sometimes. So she comes sit on my lap and kiss me up. And I love that. I love that of a woman, you know? And she completes me. And it's like my missing puzzle. She was the puzzle. Yeah, the puzzle. So let me tell you about the puzzle. Thank you for watching this video. I want you to like, share, subscribe, show every couple that you know and see if they can relate to this, and share with another couple and share with another couple and share with everybody and share it with your family. I want you to subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe. Keep spreading the word. I'm here for a good time and a long time. Bye. Drizzy Dre.
Alright, Drake.